present here. I am Karisram and today I am here to speak on life in an Indian village. Well, as we all know, India is an agricultural country and most of the agricultural fields are in our village. A great percentage of the rural population of India work in agriculture. The lifestyle of the resident of one with Indian village is quite simple. Our farmer back in the village work hard in the agricultural field day in and day out to grow crops. Other than farming, cattle rearing is a common occupation in Indian village. The best part of life in an Indian village